Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and right now I am on my regular account on Bloxburg right now because I'm not on Bloxburg yet because I need to tell you what's going to be going on my plot. I deleted my house so I can make a town. As you guys can see, that's why I'm not on it right now, so I can tell y'all. Oh, my friend. Okay, I'm going to say, but come look at my town. And then I'm just at that. Oh my god. I'm gonna just spell it out like this. I will, oh my god, join you. Sorry guys, my hands are literally freezing right now because I am really cold because my hands are cold. I'm gonna say, by the way, I am, oh my god, making a YouTube vid. So she knows I am doing it. Because I do not want to just freak her out and, I don't know, because right now this is weird. But let's do this, and I'm joining her, and my data is loading and stuff. Because my internet is a little half bad right now. And I would say a little also weirdish because the internet is being so clearly weird. But I joined my friend and I'm gonna just throw a party because how's she gonna get here if I'm gonna just throw a party so she knows that she's able to come. Now she should know. As you guys can see, this is just the playground over here. Cafe, just a little cafe. This is Starbucks, little Starbucks. And this is just a dead end. I don't know because I can't fit any rooms back here. So that's why I said dead end. This is the new restaurant building. Well, it's half built, not almost done. And back here, there is going to be a little tiny, oh my god, everyone's just coming. It's gonna be a little tiny apartments. So I'm gonna just say, I'm not gonna say anything, just I'm gonna let them look around like some normal people. And I'm gonna just say that. Now the doors are locked so you don't, oh my god. This is weird. Everyone's just looking inside the house. And I'm gonna just take a shower right now because I'm stinking up here. And I need some energy. Can you want to invite me? Okay, I have to buy telephone. Okay, wait. I need a telephone. It tags. That's absolutely great, but I'm gonna go in build mode. I'm gonna just put a electronic. And I'm totally kind of running out of money here, I'll say. Barely running out of money, though. So I'm going to just go to the Starbucks and invite her. And right now, all the stores are closed because they're in construction. I'm going to just invite my friend now. Where's the telephone? Oh my god, guys, I can't see the telephone. I put the telephone right there. Is it in this drawer? Okay, that's great. That's absolutely great. And I do have to go. And while she's arriving here, I need to get to building these little these apartments because I'm not gonna be able to finish them while I'm literally building them. So it's kind of weird because I can't be. And I'm gonna just get one of these. Hi, hello. Hi. I'm gonna just put a hi. And just say that and start doing my stuff. Oh gosh. That should be good enough. I'm gonna just do this. Why is she a baby? Hello? I'm gonna just put a, I don't have any baby stuff right now, but I'll figure it out. Let me just, hold up. I'm so sorry, but right now I don't have any baby stuff, so about it. There is a little tiny home, I would say. Right now, so I'm that should be good. Right here should be good to add a baby thing. And I think we do have some space for one of these baby things. No, wrong one. She's gonna be just sitting in the chair. No! I think am I getting the wrong thing, guys? I'm gonna just give that some girl color, because she's a girl. That's my question, and that should be, nope. A baby chair. There you go, that should work out. Where's the baby? Where were you going, little girl? Come here. Girl, come here. I'm gonna just get her. I don't have a bath yet, so I'm gonna just say room. I'm gonna just add her. Girl! Where are you? Can you be a kid? I'm gonna say can be a kid. Because it's actually, I'm sorry guys, but I hate the babies because they whine so much, but they are so cute. Wait, hold up. Hold on. Hold up. Where closet? Hood up. I'm not a great teller right now, guys, because I am forgetting a lot of stuff in the houses. Just a reminder of that. I just forgot about and a dresser. Me, stupid. And I'm gonna just add these. Yeah, that should work. Okay, now come on. Now what? You can't. No. Come on. Now everyone's just going around the town, even though it's not finished. Where'd she go? Where did she go? My question is, where did she go? Guys. Oh. That's great. Yeah. No. Okay. That was weird, guys. I did not even see her right there for great points. That was weird, but come on. Oh my god, everything's just tiny room for a minute, and this is getting a little weird. I'm just gonna take away all the baby stuff right now. Everything my question. I need to take a nap so I can stand upright, not just because I cannot buy any moods, as you can see. So just sleep time. I'm just gonna take a nap. Good night. A few hours later. Okay, I just woke up, guys. Now this tired morning. So tired. Where's my friend? Oh, she's showering. I'm gonna just look around what I built. My bed! Everyone's just sleeping in their room. And this is a little bad. I'm sorry, everyone, But I'm just gonna block everyone except for my friend. I'm just saying. Because everyone keeps on just going in my house. And it's really getting me mad. And that's absolutely great. And I'm gonna just block everyone. There. I just blocked everyone. So she was just making food. Sorry, I couldn't stand it. Now, where'd she go? Oh, she's right there. No, she's just a little chef. While she's doing that, I'm gonna just go to the Starbucks. Wait. I'm gonna just unblock everyone now because I want them to come to my Starbucks. Cook. Do I know how to cook? I'm gonna just give everyone guest. No guest. None guest. I'm trying to give everyone guest, but I'm forgetting the guest is the third one. Guest. And guested. Okay, that's great. That's good, and my house costs that much money, which I respect, and I'm gonna just, yes. Oh no, I'm in the dead end. She said, I made you cookies. I'm gonna say, oh, thank you. Oh my God. No. Oh, thank you. Now, this belly is actually kind of starving right now. Oh my God. I'm gonna just take a portrait, start eating. And the ice cream's good. I'm gonna say, just kidding. Oh my God, I'm stuck. And I just private chat someone else like that, and I'm out. Okay. I'm gonna say, okay. No, okay. I'm gonna just take one more cookie with me. And I'm gonna open all the shops except for this one, still in construction. But yeah, let's start doing this. Gotta open that. Open. Now every shop is open now. Now I can throw a party. That's good. Okay. I'm gonna just open these doors. Well, this one's gonna be closed for now because I figured doing the Starbucks one would be more good right now. So I'm gonna just do the Starbucks one. I'm gonna just wait right here until people come into the Starbucks one. Lock spring playground. Wait, what is she doing in there? Oh, she's like closing it up so she can only play in it. Wait, what is she doing? She's closing it up because it's night. Now I'm gonna just wait till people come here, and don't mind me just getting some coffee. I don't think people even mind. Starbucks. I'm gonna say ABC to come to my Starbucks. Now, I would say this is actually a great idea for people to do, because if you make a town, you get more money, and, it's pretty much easy to bring more money. And I do not charge a lot. That's my thing here, because I'm not a great interest of charging people a lot of money. If you want to friend me, by the way, my name is Queen Alana567. Make sure to subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'm going to end the video right now because I have a customer. Bye, guys.